Tired of team projects feeling like herding cats? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock seamless team management with Trello. First things first, create a board for your project. Think of it as your team's central hub. Name it something descriptive, like Project Phoenix Marketing Campaign, and invite your team members to join. Now, structure your workflow by creating lists. These usually represent stages like to do, doing, and done, but customize them to match your project's specific steps. Within each list, create cards for individual tasks. Click Add a card, give it a clear title, and open it up to add details like a detailed description outlining the task requirements. Next, assign tasks by clicking members and selecting the teammate responsible. This ensures everyone knows their role. Set deadlines by clicking due date to keep everyone on track. Trello will even send reminders. Share important files and resources by using the attachment option. This keeps all project-related materials accessible in one place. As tasks progress, simply drag and drop cards between lists to update their status, providing a real-time overview of the project's momentum. Foster communication within each card by using the comments section to ask questions, provide updates, and offer feedback, keeping all discussions centralized. Track overall progress by checking the activity feed to monitor who's doing what and identify any potential roadblocks. And that's it. With Trello, your team can manage tasks, track progress, communicate effectively, and collaborate seamlessly, leading to successful project delivery every time.